Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry, I'm just moving my recording screen. I don't know if you can see it. But welcome to Tyto Ecology. Okay, everything's working. Just want to make sure. So I recently checked my YouTube channel. Found that I had a whole 11 subscribers. I had a couple people subscribe just last week, and I was like, well, crap, I need to start making more videos, so here I am. So we're gonna start with Tyto Ecology just because they have a new biome I want to mess around with. For some reason my dog's barking, I don't know why. Alright, so first we'll just go through and look at all of them. So we have the Mojave Desert. It doesn't get a lot of precipitation and it is very hot there, 54 degrees Celsius. I don't remember how many degrees Fahrenheit that is. Deserts may be extremely hot and dry, but plenty of plants and creatures call the desert their home. This pack includes animals and plants from the Mojave Desert in North America. Oh yeah, so this is in Arizona, I believe. I have no idea. We have the Amazon rainforest biome. It gets a fair amount of precipitation. It is not nearly as hot as the Mojave Desert. There's some tortoises. I don't know what that is, but let's see. The rainforest is a biome with a lot of diversity. With lots of rainfall occurring each year, plants grow very thick, making homes for all sorts of animal species. Create an ecosystem with plants and animals from the Amazon rainforest in South America. Okay, yeah. Great Plains. Oh, there's I believe that's a wolf. They get like an even amount of precipitation, not too hot. Let's see. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam. The grassland biome is full of short plants and grasses and have few trees. Create an ecosystem with animals and plants from the Great Plains region of North America. So it looks like a lot of these biomes are in North America. Like that's two, let's see. Well, the Himalayas isn't. Himalayan forest biome. So they're on the colder side. Naturally, it's the Himalayas. There's a snow leopard. That's so cool. Don't get a lot of precipitation. I'm guessing most of the precipitation they have is actually snow and not rain. It might be freezing rain. Also possible. Let's see. From lush green valleys to the highest mountain peaks on Earth, the Himalayas are home to a wide variety of rare wildlife. Excessive poaching in the region has left many creatures endangered, but several groups are working to keep the mountain's biodiversity safe for years to come. Create an ecosystem with plants and animals from the beautiful Himalayan forests that span 5 countries. 5 countries? The Himalayas span 5 countries? India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, well, Tibet mostly, and Pakistan. Is it Pakistan? Didn't know that. Okay. And then the Alaskan tundra. I wonder where this biome could be. Couldn't be Alaska. Oh, Alaska's even colder than the Himalayas. Oh my goodness. And they just get like a lot of snow, I'm guessing. There's a penguin and a moose. Let's see. 0 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Okay. The Alaskan tundra is a harsh biome with short summers and long freezing winters. Ew. Like Utah. Except our winters are a lot shorter than Alaska's. Most plants grow very low to the ground to withstand high winds, and many animals have white coats to blend in with the snow during the wintertime. Despite its unforgiving climate, Alaska is still home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. And then the Cretaceous biome, Cretaceous Mongolia. And I was actually looking at a video from Siri Pixel Biologist. Check out her channel. She is amazing. She was reading about a poll for the Cretaceous Tyto Ecology, and a lot of people wanted a mixture of feather. Ooh, I never noticed that before. Look at that. So cool. between feathered and like mostly scaled. So they're mixed. They've got some scales, they have some feathers, like he has a feathery tail, he's got a feathery crest. This one's like covered in feathers all right here. Let's see, so 21 degrees Celsius. I really need to remember how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. 100 centimeters. That is about 3 feet. Yeah. I want to say 3 feet. Because that's a yard. So 3 feet. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I can't math. Let's see. 70 million years ago, the Gobi Desert of Mongolia was not the lonely wasteland that it is today. In the Cretaceous period, it was teeming with life. Though still arid and dry, it was home to dinosaurs large and small, tall trees, flowering plants, insects, and even small mammals. Today, the area is rich with dinosaur fossils, many of which belong to species that only existed in Mongolia during the Cretaceous period. Okay, so lots of dinosaurs over in Mongolia, which I guess is just the Gobi Desert of Mongolia. Okay, so it's part of Mongolia. And apparently it's just a dry desert now, that's full of dinosaur bones. Rip little dinosaurs, I'm sorry. Alright, so, which one? I kind of want to do the Cretaceous one first, but you know, we could just do a channel, or a series on each one, but I think we're going to start with the Cretaceous period, and do you want the tutorial? Nah, we'll turn it off. I've played this a little bit before. Alright, and this is what we fly around in, it's adorable. Arctic wolves have 2 thick layers of fur. I did not know that. The outer layer grows thicker in order to form a warm and waterproof line of defense. That's cool. Oh, our name. Let's see. Morgan Lee. Oh, wait. No. Ooh, I know. The land before time. Yes. Okay. Enter. Hey, are you gonna let me? Okay. Welcome. Yes, thank you. Oh, there's no life. Okay. Are you just... Okay, I think it's just being dumb. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Right click to move and look around, and then you can move with WASD. Let's see. Okay. Alright, let's look around. It really is a dry arid desert. Okay. The land before. Okay, plant life is one of the most important things. Burn fruit. What? Oh, leaf. Okay. You gonna let me put it down? No? Okay. Computer's being super freezy because I'm trying to fix some stuff on it. Like Minecraft. I wanted to do videos, but it decided that I want to crash. Gardening is fun. Good luck getting enough producers placed for the huge herbivores that will populate your biodome. Well, thank you. You sound super sarcastic. Good luck. Okay, I think there's a faster way to place these down, but I don't know what it is. You survived a week. Just 51 more of these and you might have an achievement that's actually impressive. Okay, yeah, they're just being rude now. How dare they? Okay. We're just planting a bunch of ferns. Ranunculaceae. I remember there was this video I was watching, it was kind of like a spoof video. And it had a flower called a ranunculus. And it's definitely a kind of funny video because it's like, and this is ranunculus, and he's like, you're ranunculus, and it was just so funny. I just laughed. I was like, okay, we have a lot of Tyto coins. Wait, why are we going so fast? I don't want to go this fast. Okay, there we go. Now we're not going so fast. Okay, let's see, we need to get some mushrooms because we need to take care of the detritus. Yes, that thing. Okay, so we're gonna do a couple. Okay, now we need to speed up because we need the energy, which is how you put the stuff down. And we need to spread them all over the place because dinosaurs have a lot of detritus. Detritus? That word. Yes, I know. It's fine. Okay, And we're gonna need these little lovely producers everywhere. I'm out. Oh no. I need more energy. Oh, I don't want to waste it. We'll just. Oh, it's fine. Okay. Our mushrooms are going along. Oh, look. Tomato mushroom. Hello. Herbivores eat these. Yes, they do. Okay. We're just gonna put some ferns. You know, we're gonna unlock. We need something big, I'm guessing. Cycad? Yeah. I think. I don't know. Okay. Yes, please. So we can get some trees all up in here. Oh, I guess these trees are smaller than I thought. Everything's smaller than I thought. I guess you have to zoom in to see just how close you are. Those little, are they baby cycads? I bet they are. They're little baby trees. Okay, yeah, so really these ferns are quite large in the long run in comparison with the dinosaurs, I think. Okay, okay, so that's a good start, kind of. Okay, Protoceratops, Zalamdalistia, I don't even know. So there are some mammals that, those are mosquitoes, I believe. They're kind of like mosquitoes. Oh, I earned a whole 5, title points. Mononychus gallimimus, I know that one. Saurophilus. Let's see. Dinocheirus. I'm probably totally butchering all these names, but that's okay. Okay, we're gonna make sure we have enough plants because we're gonna be putting a couple of the Protoceratops in here. Kind of clumping the trees together because, like, really, that's how it is in nature. There's just clumps of trees randomly. We went hunting. No, I do not hunt for sport. I don't go hunting just to say I killed a deer. Most of it is to get out in nature and just enjoy how beautiful it is outside. If we get something, we get something. That's cool. And, like, we don't just leave it. We use the meat and we make good use of it. And if nobody hunted the deer, at this point in Utah, the deer would just pretty much overrun the place and we would have too many deer. So, we also try to help with that, you know, circle of life. Even though humans aren't really part of the circle of life in reality. But we try to just get out and enjoy nature because nature is beautiful. And we went out and we kind of got a late start. It was very dark when we went. It was about 8 o'clock, and in Utah, that's starting to get dark. So we spent like an hour, I think, up there, and it wasn't far from home, so we could just walk back and not have to worry about getting home at, 11, 12 at night. So we went out and we saw a doe. That's it. We saw one doe. No bucks whatsoever. We didn't shoot it. We didn't have tags for a doe, so we just left it. We're not gonna just kill it just so we can say, oh, hey, I got something. Because that's just stupid. Like, why would you do that? Anyways, yes. So, a couple years ago, we went hunting for antelope, which was quite enjoyable. We found some on a farmer's land, and in the sagebrush and all over, and the farmers were quite happy because the antelope were getting into their fields and eating their wheat. They were very upset about it, and they just had too many, basically. And they're like, yes, please. Please use them to feed our families, and not pollinated. I need to get some pollinators in here. Yes, so we did shoot some antelope. We made sure that we didn't just let them lay there and suffer. And so please no rude comments, because I do not go hunting just for fun. I don't just shoot a deer and leave it. And like, I don't do it just to waste what precious resources we have, because that's dumb. See, we need to unlock some more trees. So yes, all the resources we have are precious. So my family tries not to waste them because they are most useful. Okay, we have this little patch that has some plants, and that's it. Rip. Okay, we just need more energy. Give us more energy. Go faster. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got a big tree now. It's a fruit plant. I love it. I love it. Okay, so maybe we're just filling this place up with plants because we don't want our little dinosaurs to starve, because that'd be sad, and I don't want our little biodome to completely fail. Okay, we'll wait a second. We'll look at some of these plants. Cycad, Dipteris, Cornus, Magnolia. I say that tree. I'm guessing it has something to do with like magnolia, maybe. Actually, these big trees are cheaper. They take less energy. Weird. Okay, I think we're ready to place down one group of Protoceratops. Extra small, huh? So they're little tiny carnivores. Also extra small. Medium, medium. Okay, I see. We're almost there. Oh. Okay, ready for this? We're gonna stick them right here. Boop. Please. Oh, why are you being dumb? Why won't you? Okay, place. Gee, where are they? I wanna see. Oh, there's one. Yay, get rewards. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3. 4. They just keep appearing. Oh, 5. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, we're gonna get some more ferns. Ferns, yes. That's the word I was searching for. Because we gotta feed these little guys. And they're adorable. Okay, and they're venturing far away. So we gotta make sure we got all the area covered. Okay, cycads, yes. So we really need to get everywhere, because they are roamers. I'm not sure where they're going. They're just like, hey, we're gonna roam everywhere. Maybe I should have placed more plants. I feel like they're totally unprepared. Okay. Because they roam so far. See, look, they're everywhere. I know the zone is locked. Thank you. Okay, what is their territory? Let me see. Alright, scroll. The whole thing is their territory. That's fine. So we need to get trees and stuff everywhere. Oh boy. Okay. Ferns everywhere. Placed ferns. Okay. So they know where to go to get food. So we just need. So for now, they have food. Like, they can run over here and get food, and they won't die. Okay, we need more cycads. Like, seriously. We just need more energy. We need 50 gazillion energy. HP. Level 1. 0 juveniles. 23 weeks until reproduction. We need to get some pollinators. Where's pollinators? There we go. We're gonna get some pollinators because we want to spread the lovely trees and flowers and ferns and make sure that they're everywhere. Okay, plant. I need more cycads. More cycads, more ferns, more plants everywhere. Okay. Yeah, this will definitely take. Oh, thank you. Thank you for giving me my little monthly allowance thingamajigger. Okay. These guys sure do eat a lot. But they're smart enough to know where their food is. So it's not like they're dumb. They know what they're doing. I'm out of energy. That's cool. we'll just wait a second. We'll wait for our energy to build back up. Let's see. I got our little dinosaurs. Protoceratops. I keep forgetting what they're called. Why are you hungry? Eat food. Okay, maybe you are a little on the not so smart side, because you're like, I'm hungry, I don't think I'm gonna eat. Which is completely redonkulous. And we're already 20 minutes into this video, wow. You can't see it, but right here I have a little timer thingy that is recording my videos for me via Xbox. So thank you, Xbox. I'm not playing this on an Xbox, I am playing it on my computer, which I'm trying to fix to get Minecraft working, and it doesn't work, and it just makes me sad. Very sad. Wow. This tree, okay. Big trees. Oh, there goes all our energy. That's cool. We just need to make sure that our babies are fed, because the worst thing for any animal is to starve. It's really sad. Like, unfortunately in nature, you know, the case of the runt, like I had one baby bunny, who just would not get food. He'd get his mom's milk and that was about it. But he wouldn't get like the hard food, and so he starved, and now I have been obsessive. Like, I put multiple dishes, I check it multiple times a day. If necessary, I have the one I think is being picked on, I separate him and let him eat by himself, and that has pretty much fixed the problem. Like, you know, it's Mother Nature, but it's still sad, and I don't want to, you know, enable the rabbits to pick on the runt. And really, the mom doesn't. The mama bunny she's an excellent mother. It's just kind of hard when you have like 5 babies. I mean, imagine having 5 toddlers running around. I can't imagine that. At least if they were my own kids. Like, I can imagine maybe doing daycare stuff and having little kids running around. But I just can't imagine having 5 kids that are the same age at the same time. Alright, so this one's eating. He's 1 year and 30 weeks old. So I think it's pretty, like, we've got quite a few plants. We've got mushrooms growing. None of them are starving, fortunately. But really, I just want to place down a bunch of plants so that we don't, like, when we come back, they're not all dead. Because that would be very sad. We're gonna get some more cycads. We need to start placing them a little further from home because they want to wander, I can tell. There's mushrooms everywhere, jeez. Okay. Here, we'll start placing some cycads. I need more energy, Okay. We'll wait for these cycads. Yes. And, maybe, I'll just talk about Jurassic Park. I love Jurassic Park, even though I guess it's not, like, it's a sci-fi movie, so it's not, you know, terribly accurate, but I must say I quite enjoy that movie. I need to watch it again. Maybe I'll have a Jurassic Park / Jurassic World-a-thon. They're coming out with a new Jurassic World. I don't know exactly what the premise is, like there's no trailer yet, I just know they're making one, and I'm super excited. I guess they journey back to the island, and I don't know why. Like, why would you go back? That's stupid. Haven't you learned from the first 2 times that when they go back to the island, bad stuff happens? But I guess not. So, I'm like, well, hopefully they'll figure it out eventually. We're gonna unlock this because, oh, I like 5 energy. Okay, so I didn't even think to check, but the, I keep forgetting what these are called. I need a notebook. Okay. The Protoceratops can eat these, and they can they eat the cycads? I believe they can. Yeah, I think they're good. I have no idea though. I didn't even think about that. but I think they can eat from the trees. Oh well, we're gonna place down more of the ferns because I know that they can eat those. And the ranunculusae. Probably totally butchering that, and I apologize. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I don't know how to pronounce these words. Okay, we're just gonna place these because, you know, I know that they can eat them and I don't want them to starve because that's sad. Even though that's really part of how they die, is they starve to death, which is very sad. Well, there's water. We should put something over by the water. Didn't even think about that. Make it all pretty by the waterway. Put some ferns. Oh, I can't put them that close. Okay, I'm sorry. Grr. Okay. I can't put them that close. Okay. Okay, there we go. I don't know if they'll go in the water, like, at all. We'll see. Some of that. We'll stick a tree. No, I want to plant a tree. Rip. Okay, I'll wait just a second so I can plant this platanus tree. There we go. Okay, so they can eat these trees. Okay. Sweet. I'll plant some of this. If it'll let me. There we go. Okay. Now, if they journey to this island, and I'll have to put some over here too. I'll put mushrooms over here. We'll put some plantage over here. And then they can start roaming far and wide. And for right now, we're going to keep one colony. One. For now. Until we can get all these plants figured out to support more than one. And these give fruit. Interesting. Okay. So, pretty successful so far. Are they? Average hunger 76%. Are you not eating? No, 70. No. Eat. There's food everywhere. Okay, well, they've decided that they want to starve themselves, and that is not okay. Okay, well, we're just gonna put more trees and stuff, and basically make it all pretty and just have plants everywhere. Because we don't want anyone to starve. I don't know what it is with me and not wanting stuff to starve, but I don't want that to happen. Okay, so far, what's their average hunger now? Do they really just wait till they're starving and then they eat? No, not the tree. I want this. Okay, so their hunger is going up, so they just decide to wait until they're really hungry, and then they go eat. Okay. So you can see the wall. There is a wall there. Stinky thing. That one's sleeping over there. I guess I better put some food over here too. Put some ferns for the dinosaurs. Oops. See this? Okay. Ferns. There we go. Put tree. Okay, there we go. Smarty pants. There's some food. Yeah, I might have to do. I don't know if that is an actual dinosaur. Protoceratops. The name sounds familiar, so it very well could be, but I don't know. That's a good thing for me to look up. I just need a tiny notebook for my whole channel. Need some side cats. Hurry up. Okay, got some side cats. Hallelujah. Okay, yeah, so we could do like a whole series. We could do one series for each biome. We could do one about the Himalayas, one about the Cretaceous period. Really, there's endless possibilities. I know all the basics of running a biome from, real life class experience, but also from this game. Like, I know you have to have the mushrooms to break down the waste, or else you have too much waste, and that can kill your animals. That's something I have to be very careful about with my rabbits because their waste is caustic stuff. Like, holy crap. Like, just their pee just stains. Like, my aunt had some over her patio, and she didn't put anything underneath, so they just go on the cement, and it stained her cement, like, it just in that spot. It's so acidic. It's just crazy. So I have to make sure that I'm periodically checking there. So like right now they have a cage and then they have a tray underneath, so they sit on wire, but they have something to sit in to keep their feet from getting raw and rubbed on. So like they don't sit in their waste. It drops below them, and I just take out the tray and dump it, and I put in some bedding, and then I put it back. And it's really nice because I used to just have them in cages with bedding, and it would get really nasty, and I just didn't have enough time to spend a couple hours cleaning it. Now I have to spend like half an hour, and it's been very nice. But yeah, so if you don't, like, they don't have anything that will help break down their waste, and it is pretty bad. You'll walk in and smell it and be like, oh my gosh. It's really bad. Okay, 8 Tyto coins. So we're pretty done on Tyto coins. We're gonna finish this area, and I think we might call it a day. This is gonna be about a half-hour long episode. I'm quite proud of myself. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I will, in fact, let me look on my phone and I will see who my new subscribers are. Alright. Yes, I was just looking at my phone, and within 2 days I had 2 subscribers, and I was like, so people are finding my channel. How nice. Alright, notifications. Tell me. Savannah Videos. Savannah Sam is a new subscriber. Also a new subscriber, Crown Rose 789. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I hope you like this video. More side cats. Yes, more side cats. Ha ha ha. Okay. And then we will see how much time we want to pass edge scrolling. Okay, 3 months, 6 months. We'll do 3 months. Yes, but because we want some progress, but we don't want so much progress that everything's dying. Yeah, so we will cut back in 3 months. Not really. We'll be back tomorrow. Graphic. I'm good with all this. Alright, so we're gonna call it a day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!